Most traders are quietly bleeding on gold, and they don't even know the real reason. They're using indicators that repaint at the worst moments and lag when the real move finally starts. GoldStuff MT5 is different. It was built exclusively for XAUUSD. No repainting, no lag. Just clean, deadly accurate trend signals that actually respect how this market moves. I was skeptical too, until I watched it run live. The difference is unfair. Let me show you what you've been missing, and stick around to the end and I will give you this bad boy for free, as well as a very simple step-by-step guide on how to install it. Welcome to the market. It's 3 AM. You've had 4 cups of coffee and you're staring at a candlestick chart of XAUUSD like it's a portal to a better life. It's just math and pain. Created by Vasily Konovalov, a man whose name sounds like someone who could either fix your plumbing or dismantle a Cold War satellite. This indicator costs $50. For the price of a mediocre steak dinner, Vasily promises to give you the stuff, the gold stuff. Currently one of the most popular indicators on the MQL5 market. It has over 700 reviews. People are obsessed. I ignored this indicator for months. Thought it was too simple. Then I actually tested it on gold, and I had to make this video. Here's what nobody is telling you about GoldStuff. The developer claims this is a trend indicator, designed specifically for gold. It's optimized for the H1 timeframe. It can work on an account balance as small as $100 and takes only 5 minutes to set up. The strategy is simple: to enter a buy signal, wait for a blue arrow to appear, and the trend line to be blue, then take a buy trade. For a sell signal is the opposite. You wait for a red arrow along with a red line to take a sell trade. Oh, and make sure you keep an eye on the built-in trend meter. That shows you the trend across multiple timeframes. If they're all blue, you buy. If they're all red, you sell. If they're mixed, you go outside and talk to a real person. Or, another trick you can use is wait for the 4-hour and the 1-hour to be on the same signal, meaning if they both are sell, you mostly take sell signals, and if they are both buy, you look for mostly buy trades, but doing the first option for all of them to be at the same trend can give you stronger signals. The consensus among people who actually have a high school diploma is this: it's a solid trend-following tool that requires a brain. It's not a magic bullet. GoldStuff doesn't get out of trades quickly. It's a slow exit system. But is it worth $50? If you are looking for a way to stop over-analyzing 50 different indicators and you just want a clean, rule-based way to follow a trend on gold, and you might be asking, doesn't this have a trading bot as well? Yes, it does. But it did pretty badly, so I just did the indicator. If you like source like this show, some love, because I post stuff like this all the time and share to your friends that might need this. You don't make less money from helping other people. Then yes, this is how you install it for free. Download the indicator in the description below. Extract it. Right-click and press open. It should axiomatically be open on your trading platform. Next, take this file. I'll explain it later. Go to File, go to Open Data folder, MQL5, Profile, enter the templates and paste it there. Here the trick: if you open the gold pair in the 1-hour chart, right-click the chart and press Load Templates, then choose GoldStuff. It will automatically put the indicator and the cut-em chart color for you. Or, open the chart, click the indicator and press OK. Boom, you got it. It's real stuff. Leave a comment if you've used this, or if you found an even better way to make money. Now you've seen what GoldStuff can do on gold, but what if I told you there's a way to trade other safe haven currencies, completely hands-free, with a bot that costs you absolutely nothing? No subscription, no hidden fees, free. I broke it all down in this video right here. If you're serious about building a system that works while you sleep, that's your next step. Go watch it now before it gets buried by the algorithm. Subscribe if you want to see me dismantle more expensive lines on charts. Good luck, and I will see you all in the next candle.